Sammy, you got to open up this this badass interview.
Right.
All right.
Have we just got to wing this then?
You got to say I'm Sam Sunderland.
Oh,
I'm blah
okay.
blah.
Right. Hey, I'm Sam Sunderland, racing the Dakar Rally and the World Rally Championship for Red Bull GASGAS Factory Racing.
Hi, I'm Daniel Sanders, and I do the same as Sam. I race for Red Bull GASGAS Factory Racing team. Same as Sammy, and I'm doing Dakar 2023. I'm back.
Back, baby, back. We've got a game on our hands, Sanders.
A game.
A game. I'm going to start.
All right, let's see what you got, mate. It's got to be better than...
I'm going to read out a question.
All right.
And if you think it's you, you put your hand up. And if I think it's me, I put my hand up. And then we'll take in turns reading out the question.
Okay.
I'll start.
Righto, mate. Let's go.
Who's the better looking teammate?
We could do it.
Oh, you dog. Are you kidding, mate?
You got to have it.
You looked in the mirror recently?
Have you looked at your hairline lately?
Yeah, that's why I got a cap spot on.
Come
on, go on, you have it.
All right, righto. So we're what, one each. Who's going to win that one? We both look pretty good.
Winner or a loser.
I think we're on the prettiest looking team, so we've got the... We'll go even, all right? We'll go even.
Yeah.
All right. Who is better on a GASGAS trail bike? Yeah, I'll give that one to you, mate, because you've got one, so I haven't even rode one.
Who is better at beekeeping? Yeah, dude, no doubt. Well, to be fair, when you got stung on the lip, I wouldn't say that was such a good beekeeper. He didn't look very happy with it.
Well, mate, when you're in the middle of a race, you don't have a bee suit on, so you don't have protection.
Anyway, wasn't it, mate? Saved on your Botox bill.
I was looking really good with the lip filler.
Go on.
Who knows their way around a bike the best? Oh, you're dreaming, mate.
Oh, you think you know everything, mate.
What do you think you can do? Can you rebuild an engine?
No.
Oh, well, I've got you there. Yeah, can you do tyre changes?
Yeah.
Can you... Yeah.
You can rebuild an engine.
Yes, I can.
Mate,
I did all my two-strokes.
Oh, yeah, two-strokes, another story.
I did a four-stroke in America last year too.
I wouldn't want to ride it after you, big.
Yeah, it was good on the jumps, so anyway, I reckon I'll go that one. Your turn, mate.
Who's best at looking after a toddler?
I don't have one.
Yeah, sure, I got that covered, mate. I've been practicing for the last 2 years, so. Right, get on, you.
Oh, I am an uncle now, but I've only been good for a couple of hours, not 2 years.
All right, go on then.
Maybe in a few years I might be good. Who has the best moustache?
You haven't even got a moustache.
Yeah, no, but it's Colonel Sanders is in the family, so he's got one. It's KFC.
Yeah, but you're like, I've never even seen you with any facial hair, and you're claiming you've got a better moustache.
At Silk Rally, I had it once. Silk Way.
Grow one. You have to. That's the next challenge. Grow one. We'll both grow one.
And a mullet then. With
no, they're just a moustache. The hair on top, I'm struggling with a bit.
Who's
the funniest?
I don't know. We both. Yeah. Oh. No. Oh.
That's a strong claim, isn't it? I'm so funny. I am so funny. You just put your hand up to say that you're so funny. Right,
I wouldn't say funny, it's just silly. It's stupid.
You have a bash, number 8.
All right, we can count?
Yeah. There's numbers on the page.
All right, who dresses the best? Oh, that was I was thinking about that for a bit, and I said, what? Why? Are you Gucci gang with totes?
No, but I think we probably dress pretty similar then.
Yeah, we're a Fox, so there's the best lit kits going around. So.
Can't help but look good, eh?
Yeah, it's hard not to look like a Fox.
Right, who's the best farmer?
Oh, God.
That's you, I reckon, mate. The old Sanders apples. There you go, just plug in the
beef farming too, mate.
Can I get some commission if you sell some more apple juice?
Apple juice?
You not sell apple juice?
You got to come and eat an apple first.
You sell apple juice?
No, we don't do apple juice.
Why
just do
not?
cider, mate.
Yeah, but make apple juice, dude. You got so many apples, it just makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah, but ciders are heaps better than that. Right. Dickens, have you ever heard of that one?
Never heard of it, mate. Right, who wins an enduro race?
Out of you and me?
Yeah. Like a proper enduro in the forest, like the 6 days that you won. Yeah, no, I'm not. It's not me.
Why's that? You're pretty good. What was if it was a sandy enduro?
Ah. I reckon we'd have a good old scrap then.
Well, you didn't explain. You could have said a
Well, I just thought enduro was in the forest, in the trees. I did one in my life. I'm not Not very good at dodging
Alright,
tree.
I got one for you. It's going to be a pretty hard one to beat. Who has the best hair?
Well, you obviously.
Well, I'm not even putting it up because my hair's pretty boring this year.
Yeah, but you look like a lion's mane, dude. I'm just.
It's not. I'm getting old. This rally game is taking a toll
I'll
on
tell
me.
you, mate. You wait for a couple of years, you look in the mirror and you won't recognise yourself. Right, who can wheelie the longest?
Oh,
I reckon I got the wheelie down.
Kevin.
No, out of me and you.
Oh.
Kevin's not here.
Yeah.
He's riding our team.
Yeah, they're wheelie kings.
I'm claiming it, wheelie
Alright.
king.
Righto. All right. Who has the best dad joke? Tell us one each.
Might need some time here.
Yeah, we might have to pull that one back. I know your one. It's always the dentist. What time's the dentist appointment?
All right, I got one. What time does Roger Federer go to bed?
Oh, about 10-ish.
Dennis.
Oh, I don't even have any good ones. What's those bad Christmas jokes?
Because you're not a dad, mate. I'm a dad over here. I got them down.
Yeah, all right, you win them. You win that because they're always
Come on,
shocking.
you've got a joke. Surely you got a joke in there.
I just
somewhere.
did my one. What time do you go to the dentist or something?
No, that was mine.
Oh, I don't have a joke. Oh, sorry, I don't have a joke. I'm
don't
gonna leave you. Oh, that's why you win. I'm not good at jokes, so I don't know why I'm funny then.
Yeah, the funniest guy with no joke.
You just do funny things instead.
Right, complete.
Oh, I still got a question.
Oh, yeah?
You got 13?
Yeah.
Well, go for it.
No, it was who can wheelie the longest.
Oh, all right.
And you said,
I got 14.
oh, go on then.
Who's the fastest?
You just made that one up.
No, it's not.
Let me see your paper. All right.
And it says DS.
So what considers fastest
Yeah.
winning races? Now, how many Dakars did you win?
None.
How many times are you on the podium?
None.
Oh, I see.
Fastest.
So, right. Thought that was.
Fastest.
Thought it was going to be
No.
fast when you go on.
I don't know. It's got to be fast, or if it's like. I think a few things consider like the fastest. We'd have to
No, he goes
do a
pretty
tally.
fast.
How about we do a poll? Who's faster?
He just needs to get the finishing part sorted out, and then he'd go, all right, I was about the same when I started rally.
How about we just put on Instagram, make a poll? Who's faster, Sunderland or Sanders?
What discipline?
They can do 3. We can do motocross, or no, motocross, enduro, or whatever, rally, and then we'll just do motocross,
Motocross
enduro.
and enduro is separate already.
Separate, yeah. Oh, there's 3. Motocross,
I reckon
enduro,
I got
rally.
you covered in motocross. Enduro, you got me.
Or we
Rally.
can go sand. No, I reckon I got you motocross, mate.
Don't know.
Not this year, next year when I can, like, when everything's strong and I'm back.
This is live, mate. It's real time.
All right, you got me now then.
Thanks.
I'll give it to you.
Complete. Thank you,
My
guys.
God. That's good. So you got any other ones off the top of your head, Sammy? Before we clap out of this?
Any other questions?
Yeah, any other good ones? Who can ride a camel the fastest? Or who can jump on one from here?
I've got a more like relative one because it's like who would outdrink who in a night out?
Well, we know who'd win that one, don't we?
Yeah, you.
You win a Dakar and can't even tip a few in.
Yeah, well, you've got a fair bit of experience in that.
I don't. It's just a loose Aussie style, mate. I'm pretty tame now though, like the mullet and just cut the power away, so I'm just boring.
Power in it.
It's like a Power Rangers. You know.
Right, thank you guys.
Wicked.
Sorry to sniff so much. I wanted to do it already 10 minutes ago. Oh, we're supposed to leave.
We walk out, drop the paper, and just cigar out of here. See you guys at Dakar. Eh?
See you later, mate. Nailed it.
That was good, boys.
Was it funny?